How to find JavaScript settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find JavaScript settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings and scroll down. Here you will find sites and downloads. Click on it and click site permissions, and here you will find allows JavaScript, and you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.